Hey Quiet Princess, and I'm back in the video, and today I'm going to be doing kind of a throwback. I'm going to be doing squishy pet peeves. And so the first squishy pet peeve is when the person just squishes the squishy way too much. Hey guys, it's Unicorn 360, and I got this little kawaii bun. Very squishy. Very squishy. Just gonna squish stuff. Bye guys! The next squishy pet peeve is when the person just is talking about squishing, then just ends up talking about the randomest thing. Hi guys, it's Puppy Lover 123, and today I have this little Hello Kitty toast. The funny thing is that I had toast this morning for breakfast. Oh, and today's Saturday. I'm having a brunch with my family and stuff, and we had bacon and pancakes, and it was so delicious. I was just like, And before that, I was at my dad's house, and then I got my hair done and stuff, and I had this paper clip. And then I lost my hair tie. It had like a little apple gem on it. It was so cute. And then last night I was watching this movie. It was called Central Intelligence, and that movie is so awesome. And then it was like in Florida, and I was like, oh my gosh, I want to be in Florida because Florida is like the most awesomest thing. And I was also watching Alvin and Chipmunks, and Alvin and Chipmunks is just like, and I was just watching Alvin and Chipmunks, and I got tired, so I went to sleep. And my little brother was over for like a little bit. He was only for like over like two minutes. Oh yeah, and here's this Hello Kitty toast. The next squishy pet peeve is when the person is just like when they squish the squishy, but it's just like they don't even lift up their fingers.
Look, I don't like giving second chances, but I appreciate your lack of pride. So if you can have a Buckley's birthday party, I'll consider bringing you back on. But this is your last
Sorry, the orange juice break. So the next squishy pet peeve is when the person this is like kind of a relate to when the person squishes the squishy too much, but it's like a different version. This one is when the person is just squishing the squishy way too rough. Hey guys, it's Kaka, and I'm back with another video. And today I have this little marshmallow squishy, and I'm just gonna be squishing it. So squinching. Always be gentle with this squishy. Bye guys. Okay, moving on. So the next squishy pet peeve is when the person just squishes the squishy way too soft and you can't even see the slow rising mist. Hey guys, it's Braids and Barrettes, and I'm back in the video. And today I'm just going to be showing you this green tea donut with sprinkles. It's very squishy. Very squishy.
She'll be okay, but she really should see a doctor. Her boyfriend's an ophthalmologist, but he's on vacation with his wife.
Very squishy.
I'm sorry, does one of you live here? Mrs. Fortas didn't tell me that she had a daughter. Jacqueline, I'm her stepdaughter. And you're what, the new gun? I'm Kimmy, and I'm going to have to tell your stepmother that you were drinking. No, you don't. I'm 15, and I'm pretty much your boss.
So yeah, that's my Hello Kitty green tea donut sprinkles. Bye guys. The next person that really triggers me is a person who's just like doing all these types of stuff and they still have the squishy, but they're not even squishing it, and you're just like squish the squishy. The irony. I'm sorry, I'll squish the squishy after this because I don't want you guys to take this, okay? I'm a nice YouTuber. Okay. Hi guys, I'm just gonna the squishy. It's so good. In this apple. so good.
You're going to punish. Something
My juice bag.
we're basically the same age. Someone needs to grab her. Okay.
Bye, guys. I forgot to squishy. Okay, bye. Well, that is it. I'm just going to end this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and a comment and subscribe. And bye.